split pea soup, hernekeitto. It's a traditional Finnish food. We even have a day when we eat it. Thursday. Yep. Every Thursday Finnish defense forces have a pea soup. And if you have a pea soup in a school, you guessed right, it's Thursday. And you can find at least one diner at every town that has a pea soup on its menu on Thursdays. Usually Finns season their soup with mustard and have a pancake with their pea soup. There are some regional differences when it comes to the pea soup. In western Finland, soup is thick and they add smoked ham in it. In Karelia region, consistency of the pea soup is considered more watery and the meat is not smoked. In southern Finland, they use small onion dices and bacon as a side dish. Sometimes they even add a cream into the soup. Split pea soup is made from dried peas, so preparation starts the day before. So we put 1 liter of water and peas into the kettle. And now let's wait for the whole night. And now cooking may continue. Here we have our main ingredients, and as a westerner, smoked ham and onions. Those should be yellow onions, but accidentally I didn't have those. And now also carrots. Carrots are not included in a traditional recipe, but I like to add those to give some color. This ham is slightly smoked side of the pork and it's really fatty and tender, so it will basically melt into the soup and give lots of flavor and saltiness. In seasoning we only need 2 ingredients, majoran eli meirami and salt. And home chefs around the Finland might use different herbs, so you can be creative. Making this on stovetop would take around 2 hours, but with the pressure cooker we can cut the time in half. Let's press the saute mode and fry our onions until they are soft and have a little color like so. And now we throw everything else inside the pots. Carrots, peas, extra liter of water, salt and majoran. And now we don't put the smoked ham in yet, it would get bit dry in pressure cooker because all fat would melt into the soup. Now put soup mode in a pressure cooker, high pressure and 30 minutes. And boom! You can go wherever you want in the meanwhile. There is no hurry to take this out. Actually you can keep it in a keep warm mode up to 4 hours, so you can go into spa for instance and come back home when you're hungry. Other options is to use slow cook mode for 8 hours. Remember that the slow cook mode you don't put vent to ceiling. After the time has passed, make a natural pressure release and give the soup little stir and now put the ham in. If you like the thicker broth, you can of course boil it down a bit with the saute mode, but I think that this is now quite good. Now soup is ready to be served with some delicious and rich pancake. Cream and strawberries. Oh yeah, enjoy. And remember that split pea soup is at its best when reheated. You can make a big batch at a time and freeze it. And if you like the video, slap like and subscribe. Thank you very much.